I recently received this product as a possible sample for review. Now that I've checked out all the different features, I do like it and I do want to show it to you. First, let me thank the brand for sending it to me so I can share it with you. Now let's get started. This is a detachable sewing machine case with trolley. So that means those of you who sew a lot and you travel with your sewing machine, this is going to make it a whole lot easier. We're going to go ahead and start with the case itself. I'm going to open it up, show you the main compartment, how incredibly roomy that is. You're also going to see down in here we have an additional pocket so I can show you the front. The first thing you're going to notice is this window pocket. It's a see-through pocket so that you can see exactly what's in the front pocket. That would be for things that you want to get to quickly. You use them often. I want to point out the zippers. They're very, very nice, sturdy zippers. They don't get caught up. They're not stuck. Nothing is in their way. Okay, let's move on to this next front pocket. We have another very roomy pocket for your accessories here. Turn it to the side. I'm going to show you this pocket, which opens up nice and wide, and it's very, very deep from the top here of the zipper to this bottom level here. And you can see it's got about 3/4 of an inch in expansion here. Also, we have some little elastics here for things that you may want to tuck in to the side there. Now we're going to go to the other side. This pocket is the same type of pocket, very deep, starts up here where the zipper starts and then all the way down to here with the same type of gusseted kind of expansion capability there. As you can open this up, you're going to see that there is a nice deep compartment and then inside some elasticized compartments as well. Okay, swinging around to the back here, you're going to see this. It's not a pocket, it's a trolley band so that you can firmly slide this over the handle of your trolley, and that is one way in which you're going to attach this item to make sure it stays on the trolley. And the next way is that you're going to be able to put this around the trolley band. So that's the second way that you're going to be able to attach this to your wheels. Third way, we're going to flip this over. First thing you're going to notice is the padded rubbery foot bottoms here, the bottoms for keeping the case upright. They're nice and sturdy, they're rubber, they're not going to scratch anything. So some nice foot pads here. And then you're going to notice these clips. These clips actually go into the base of the trolley to secure it one more time. So that on either side. We have a nice foldable trolley. I also want to show you how nice is that double 360 wheels. They're quiet, they're smooth, they're very effective. Wheels here on this back piece, they have locks. And so once you get this in place and you don't want it going anywhere, you can lock that. So to open this up, all you do is you simply lift up the arm, push down the clips. You have it locked into place. We have a push button here that will take this up to several different height settings, which is really nice. And a lot of these types of items don't come with a handle that is that tall. I want you to check out one more time how smoothly the wheels roll and the fact that there is no noise. Okay, we're going to go ahead and place the sewing machine in there. And you know, we have all of this stuff, and my machine didn't come with any type of case, nothing to put it in. So this stuff is in a bag. It's in another bag over there. It's spread out. This is going to keep me nice and organized. I have everything I usually use in this bag, and there is just a ton of space in there, a ton of room to spare. I haven't even begun to fill this up. We slid it onto the trolley band. We're going to use this to give it one more place of security to hold on to this trolley. Going down to the very bottom, we're going to go ahead and clip those side pieces in. And there you have it. Heavy sewing machine and all the accessories on this cart, ready to travel, ready to go mobile, and so simple, so useful. Thank you to the brand for the sample, and thank you for watching.